Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Creative Hands by Shay. So in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a 9 to 12 months old baby mitten. So if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you will love this tutorial and you'll be able to make one of your own. To my regular viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always being here. So this is the yarn that I will be using, and the name is wool yarn, and it says here medium coarse hand knitted. And it doesn't say the recommended hook. It looks like a size 3 yarn, and it says first grade Australian wool. That's 70%. It has a whole different type of thing going on there. So I actually got this yarn from Temu. If you want to know where I got it from, or you can use I do recommend using a baby softy yarn, something that is more delicate for a baby. But I will be showing you how to make the mitten using this. So guys, you will need a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. You will need a stitch marker, darning needle, and also scissors. So guys, let's jump in the video. So guys, to begin, we will start off by making a slip knot. Now that we have made our slip knot there, you are going to go ahead and chain 11. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now that I have my 11 chain here, now you are going to skip one into the second chain. You are going to place 1 single crochet, and into each and every stitch along you'll be placing 1 single crochet. So I'm going to do that until I get to the end, and then I'll meet you back there. So now I have come to the end, and I have a total of 10 stitches. Now you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and we will be working into the back loops. So the ones that are on this side are considered your back loop, and the ones that are on this side are considered your front loop. So you are going to place a single crochet into the back loop, and that's the first stitch there. If you want to use your stitch marker to mark your last stitch down here, you can go ahead and do so if you're gonna have an issue in finding your last stitch. I do recommend to use a stitch marker if that's the case. So we are technically gonna go up to 20 rows of just doing single crochets. So once you get to the end, you will just chain 1 and repeat the same steps. Let me just redo that. So chain 1, turn your work, and work in the back loop. So I'm going to continue doing this, and once I'm at my 20, I'll meet with you. So guys, now I have come to the end, and this is what the ribbon looks like. It is quite small. Let me just do a measurement so you can see. So that is almost 4 inches. Let me just see how much centimeters is that. So from there, so that's 9 centimeters. So now what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and we are going to slip stitch all the way up to the top here. So I'm going to do that on the wrong side. So let me just see which side looks like. Yeah, so that's the right side right there. So this is the wrong side. Okay, I'm going to chain 1, and we're going to go into the next stitch and into the back loop on the other side and slip stitch. So going to each stitch, and that's the back loop on the other side. So I'm just going to continue doing this, and I'll see you at the end. So now I have come to the end, and I'm just going to do my last slip stitch there. And what we're going to do is we're going to work on this side. This is going to be like the wrong side. So when we fold the cup over like this, this is what it looks like on the right side. So it's super cute. So let me just fold it back over. So now what we're going to do is you can work over your tail end, and you're just basically going to chain 1 and work 1 half double crochet into each and every row. So you should have a total of 20 half double crochets at the end. So I'm going to continue to do this, and I'll see you at the end. So now I have come to the end, and I'm just going to place my last half double crochet there, slip stitch into our first, chain 1, yarn over, and go back into that same stitch and place 1 half double crochet. So from row 2 to row 6 we will place 1 half double crochet into each stitches around, and this is how we're going to end and start our row. So again, from row 2 to 6 is just 1 half double crochet in each stitches around. So I'll see you at the end of row 6. So now I have come to the end of row 6. Now I'm going to slip stitch, chain 1, go back into that same stitch and make a half double crochet, go into the next, make a half double crochet, and then we are going to do a decrease. So you're going to yarn over and you're going to place 1 half double crochet. You're not going to finish, well, you're going to insert your hook, you're not going to finish, go into the next stitch, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Let me just redo that. So you are going to go into that stitch, so you're going to yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. You're going to yarn over, go into the next, and you're going to place 1 half double crochet. Go into the next, place 1 half double crochet. So the sequence is 2 half double crochet and then a decrease. 2 half double crochet, then a decrease all the way around until you get to the end, and I'll see you there. So guys, now I have come to the end here. I'm slip stitching, then I'm going to chain 1, yarn over, go back into that same stitch, and we're just going to place 1 half double crochet into each and every stitch around. So that's 1, 2, continue to do that all the way around, and I'll see you at the end. So guys, now I have come to the end and I have a total of 15 stitches, slip stitching into our first half double crochet. And now we are going to chain 1, yarn over, go into that same stitch and place 1 half double crochet. Into the next 2 we're going to do a decrease. So just as we did before, we have 3 loops on the hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop, we have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 4. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet, followed by a decrease. And repeat that all the way around until you get to the end, and I'll meet you there. So guys, now I have come to the end and I'm just making my last decrease there. Slip stitch, chain 1, and then we are going to decrease in every stitches around. So yarn over, go back into that same stitch, do your half double crochet, go into the next, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 4, yarn over, go into the next and next, pull through. So repeat that all the way around, and I'll see you at the end. So guys, and now I have come to the end and I am just going to go ahead and slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. And then we are just going to go ahead and get our darning needle and just do a little in and out sewing in the top here. And what you can do is you can just turn that over. Let me just get my needle first. I'm just going to put it through, turn it over, and just give it a little bit of sewing just to close off the top here. just like this. Okay, now you can go ahead and weave in the remainder tail end, and your mitten is completed. Quite simple, quick and easy. So let me just continue to do this and I'll see you at the end. So guys, I'm just cutting off my last little tail end there. Flip it over. And this is super stretchy, by the way. So it's quite nice, easy to make. You can make these in a jiffy. So what you're gonna do now is you can either have it just like this, or you can flip it over like that, and you can put like a little tie, just as I did this one. So if you have not done making your other one, you can go ahead and make it. So I did just put a little, I chain 85 and then I just weave this in. So this is what it would look like when it has the little lace weave in. So it is so adorable. Look at that, it's super cute. So this is measured, the entire length is measured 4.5 inches long. So there it is, 4.5 inches. So all you have to do is to achieve this little thing. If you want to have it there, you can just go ahead, chain 85 and then weave it in underneath the stitches here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.